Well, more than 20 earthquakes have hit the East Bay in the last 24 hours. Danville is getting the hardest hit at this point, and scientists are calling the city the epicenter of an earthquake swarm. This series of small quakes around the Calaveras Fault haven't caused any real damage so far, but the quakes have reminded residents of the potential danger that comes with living by the bay. The latest quake was just after noon today, a magnitude 3.5.
Anytime there's multiple earthquakes going on, it has to raise an eyebrow. Is there a concern? What's the next step? Is the next step a 6, a 8?
Now, seismologists say a series of small quakes doesn't necessarily mean that the big one will follow close behind, and they say it's actually typical for the region. However, experts also do say an earthquake larger than 6.7 could happen within the next 30 years. And scientists are getting close to providing us with that warning just before an earthquake hits, but their efforts are running out of money, and they're not getting any help from the White House. President Trump wants to end funding for the earthquake early warning system. Right now, there are only a number of sensors in the state, and it would take another $60 million to cover Washington, Oregon, and California.